Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've made some modifications to my bike recently. I'm also going to add some more stuff to the bike. So today I'm gonna speak about those modifications. I've got some products which I ordered online. NGK spark plug along with the connector and racing cables. I'm not gonna talk a lot about this NGK spark plug, what it does and all. There's enough information online. Why I am doing this? Because recently I've seen a variation in the RPM. I'll put in a video to show what I'm talking about exactly. So basically there's a little instability in the RPM which I want to address. Most probably after adding this, that will be addressed. Okay, so upgrading to the Iridium Spark plugs and the racing cables. I'm gonna clean the air filter with the K&N recharger. Within this box there's a cleaner and there's an air filter oil as well. So that's number 2. Number 3 is chain cleaning, chain lubing, basic. I think everyone knows that. Number 4 is adding tank pads on the tank, because I've recently noticed a lot of scratches on the tank due to my because of my knee guards. So I want to use this in order to prevent those scratches. Also it will help to grip the tanks better. So yeah, let's go to the bike and I shall show you how I'm gonna make these changes to the bike. So these are the tank pads that I've ordered. Set of 2. This is how they look, and along with that 4 of these. So 4 3M tapes and 2 tank pads. Decent quality. Okay, so let me quickly explain what all I've got as part of this package. Racing cables, connectors and the spark plug. Basically this is an Iridium spark plug, so that's the tip, and this is the tail. It goes into this. There's a thread. This is intact now. On the other side as well there's a tip with a thread inside it. See, this is the cable. This point will go into this tip and you just rotate clockwise to screw it in. These are supposed to go like this, and this on the other end, which basically prevents water from going inside. So this side is ready. The other side I'll show you on the bike how we are supposed to attach that. Okay, so you need this number 10. Unscrew this first. So I've removed the tank. I had to disconnect 2 connectors that you see here, the green one and the red one. That's it. I have not removed it fully because I want as least possible work. So just removing and keeping it back there has allowed me enough space to basically take this out from both sides. Right, so now let's start from this side first.
Okay, so I'll have to unscrew in this cable from here. For that I have to first remove this zip tag. You can just cut the zip tag as well if you want. So that is out. So this cable is free. Now I just need to pull it out. So that's out. Okay. Simple. Just rotate this anti-clockwise and this will come out. Now time to insert the new ones. Start rotating clockwise. You have to push it a little inside as well. Push and rotate. So after multiple attempts of trying to screw this into that, I realized that since this is a new cable, this is very tight. So what I've done is I'm trying to loosen it like this, right? So this will make the tip a little broader, and then it'll be easier to screw this in then. So now it should be easier. Okay, let's try now. The trick worked, and now this is fully screwed in to a point where I cannot rotate it further anymore. So I know it's fully inserted, and also if I give it a gentle pull, it's not coming out. Okay, so as you can see, I've inserted it from this side and also this side. This is majority of it, connecting these. Now this would go in like that, just to make sure it's properly plugged in. Just give it a gentle pull and see if it comes out or not. So that's the Iridium Spark plug, which I'm going to replace with this. It's not very old. This was new 3 to 4 months back only when I got this serviced. So it goes in like this. Okay. Gently, not too hard. So that's tight. Okay. That's gone in. I'm done installing both. Left hand side neatly tucked inside with zip tags. Make sure it's not touching the engine cover. So on both sides it's done. Let's crank up the engine and see. So that was a successful project. I would rate it like easy because I have been able to do it, so I think anyone else can also do that. Apart from that, I need to stick these over there. Not sure how long this video will be, but I think if the video is becoming too long, then I'll put the rest of the parts in a different video. For now, yeah, you can see the difference in when I crank up the engine. It's instant. Tank pads added. They look good. I like it. Now let's see how long it stays there. Now time to lube the chain. It's clean. I've already cleaned it up. So one last thing I forgot to show, that was this headlight grill that I ordered. Ordered this from Bike and Biker, and it's a product of Zana. So this is how it looks. So after adding these NGK spark plugs and the cable, let's test if there's any difference in. So that's it for today. Outcome of replacing these spark plugs is I've noticed very less misfires and also a little slightly better throttle response. I think both these issues might have been resolved even if I replaced the spark plugs with a stock one. So not much difference, but at least now I don't have to worry about replacing spark plugs every now and then. So that's one take from this. I hope with this video you guys have learned or known how to replace these spark plug kits. For these small stuffs, I recommend you to do it on your own, especially if you do not have a known mechanic, a reliable mechanic. Authorized service centers don't do all these updates. Even if they would do it, I would never have got it done by them. I would recommend everyone to try all these things by your own. It's nothing difficult. So I hope this video was useful and worth your time. I'll come up with more videos. It's already planned an upcoming ride, so I should that is when most probably I will be posting a new video. Until then, thanks for watching and take care of yourselves.